Hi friends, now we have Shimano S-Fair R900 model, and we have two pairs. One is mine and one is my coach. We bought together, and his shoe have one problem. The boa got broken from the dial, and mine also the same side, same shoe. The boa started breaking, and this is a really good shoe. It's have the 12 point of stiffness and really good shoe. The only problem, this I don't know, only for us, I don't know anyone else have, but the problem, I need to figure it out. This I need to fix this some of, because I can't afford another pair of shoe now. Then he gave me this pair of shoe. What I am going to do, my right side boa gone, there is one left side pair is fine. I am cutting this from here, and I am putting it here, and I don't want to waste this shoe because it's really good shoe. And once I did lace system on another shoe, Lake. Here what I am going to do, this the base one is fine, that's why I'm keeping this like this only, and I'm planning to put velcro here and someone can use this. That's my plan. Okay, first we are going to do, we'll cut from this left side shoe, and I will put it on my right side shoe. Okay, let's see how it's working. Okay. Two toys we have. One is with plastic coating, one is nylon. Both are okay. It's up to you which one you want to use. Some people want their color. I more prefer strength, that's why I'm using this one. Yeah, the main tool ready. We fix the twine on the nail. We are going to stitch. I usually start from the back side, because this is the starting place. This is the first place where the power coming. That's why that what I am thinking. That's why I'm starting from here. Okay.
So jugaad, phone light, cycle light.
guys, we just finished the stitching. This is how it looks, and I'm pretty sure it's strong enough because last year I did the exact stitching for the other pair because I got a accident cut on my shoe. Then I stitch with the twine, it stays there.